Hello everyone, my name is Olusanjo Aderiwale. I'm so glad to be part of the Max-Migold Facility Management students in batch 23rd. I would just like to talk about one of my achievements. Before I enrolled for the facility management program, my understanding about asset management was very little because I used to believe asset management is all about maintaining equipment. But this facility management program has widened my knowledge and has made me to understand that asset management is not just about maintaining equipment. Each and every asset or equipment must align with the organizational goals and the stakeholders' needs, meaning that the right asset or equipment must be used at the right time for the right cost and also delivering the right performance. I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Mr. Paul Erubami. He's friendly and he has been a great leader. And also my appreciation goes to other lecturers who has dedicated their time to make sure that the program went successfully. I really say a big thank you.